Hi, my name is Gina. I'm from Denver, Colorado, and I'm part of the medical staff team at Camp Ozark. Camp has been such an awesome opportunity for me to take what I love and put it into practice, serving some amazing kids. As part of the medical staff, I get to come alongside other medical professionals and play a critical role in keeping everyone on site safe. Camp is built on safety, so we shoulder a lot of responsibility with different roles, including medication management and distribution, emergency response, record keeping, and attending to wellness-related needs as they arise. With over 1,200 kids on site each week, new challenges keep the days exciting and full of life. Our team is full of talented professionals, and I love getting to build genuine friendships with them as we serve together. This community is special. Not only do I enjoy being here, but it's been so much fun for my family to get to experience camp as well. It brings me so much joy to see my kids run around wide-eyed at the water slides or ropes course. I'm thankful I get to be here with them. My heart is truly after all the kids at camp, and I enjoy getting to know them and their unique personalities. Serving on the medical staff is fulfilling work, and I wouldn't trade this summer for anything.